Hi Varun, today we are going to demo MyClass app. So we will be having two instances of the same app in two different phones. One we will be logging in as a teacher, the other we will be logging as a student. So I will be logging in. So Kiran will be the teacher here and Michael will be the student here. So let me first log in using the teacher's credentials. So I have entered the username and the password and I click on login. Simultaneously, we'll also log in using the students' credentials. So here the beacon has triggered, and okay. So if you see here, we have the classes listed. So the teacher will have my classes, but the student will not have my classes. The rest of the four tabs are same for teacher and for student. So for teacher, we will be showing all the classes that are available for him. Here we are also showing how many students are enrolled for that particular class. So here English is enrolled by 3 students. So when you click on this, you will see what is the class description, you will see the location, you will see the time, you will be able to see the grade of each and every student in that particular class. You will be able to see the attendance of each and every student in the class. Then you will be able to see the class roster, wherein you can you can click on the select button, you can select the child, and then you can send message to that particular student in the class. So coming to schedule, it will show you all the classes and then schedule of each and every subject. For suppose here you see today is 20th. Today from 9 to 9:20 you have English class. Excuse me. Similarly, it is displaying for the same student. If you had seen before, English class has 3 students: William, Revati and Michael. So Michael is the login we have done as a student. And so coming to the schedule, you can click on the schedule and you can confirm if this is the location or not. 202 is the location. So if you click on confirm location, it will confirm the location of the class. Then you have 3 students who are appearing for that particular class here also. Once you click on that, you will be able to check in. You will check in into that particular class. So once you switch on, once the user switches is on his Bluetooth, then teacher will be notified that student has been checked in into the class, and you are able to see the student who has just arrived based on beacon status. So there are 25 minutes left for this particular class. So these are the students in that particular class roster. So here you can manually also select the particular student and mark his attendance. So here it is selected. Once you click on start class, the class will start. Coming to the chat window, you have the chat window for both the teacher and the student. So for the teacher, you already have some groups listed. Here you can click on plus button and then you can create a group and then add people to that group and then create that group. So you can start sending messages to the students in your group. If you see the group you have selected, here Michael is the student, so he's getting a chat window. So if I type hi here, it will be reflected to the group where Michael is a part. Okay, so that is the chat part. And coming to contacts, we have contacts of all the teachers and all the students in that particular school. So you have 2 tabs. You have 3 teachers here, and you have totally close to 20 students here. Similarly, here also you can see all the teachers, including his own teacher Kiran. Okay, so here you have the profile, wherein you can go and check the profile of the teacher, which class he is teaching, what is his free timings, and what are the current classes. and then for the student you have his grade, you have his performance in English subject, and his attendance details, like how many times he was absent and how many tallies are available. So that completes, then you can log out. So that completes the flow for my class.